What are you doing, Frodo? Are you knocking over all your food? Did you knock all your food over and pile it into a corner? Huh? Frodo, did you do that? Frodo, was that you? Why you make a mess in Mama's house?